Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini brownies. Now, as weird as this sounds, it's actually really good. The zucchini releases a lot of moisture, making these brownies really moist, fudgy, and so delicious. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add the canola or vegetable oil, sugar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then for the zucchini, you want to wash it, then cut off each end, and grate it using a box grater. Then measure it out, making sure you also compact it in. And add it into the wet ingredients. And also add in the dry ingredients. Then mix them together until they're combined. The batter will be dry, but that's the way it's supposed to be. As it bakes, the zucchini will release a lot of moisture. Then grease a 9x13-inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray. Then pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even. Then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Try not to overbake them. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. And we're gonna top the brownies with a chocolate frosting, which is optional but highly recommended. So in a small bowl, add the melted butter and cocoa powder and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside and let it cool. Then in a medium bowl, add in the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the cooled chocolate mixture and mix them together until they're combined. Then once the brownies are cooled completely, spread the frosting on top. And that's how to make zucchini brownies. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.